Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the headphones fully off and removing any auxiliary cable. This prevents accidental power. Once done, ground yourself with an ESD strap and position the ear cup facing up. Use a thin pick to pry the inner fabric ring gently. You want controlled force to avoid tearing. Then remove the retaining screws with T5/T6 drivers. Keep parts in order so reassembly maps directly. This step exposes the inside panel for diagnostics and prevents damage to clips and fragile ribbon cables. Once the panel is off, you'll see the battery and ribbon connectors. Disconnect the battery first to avoid shorts. Next, free the speaker and ANC module by unscrewing their mounts. Label each connector so you know where it returns. Use a magnifier to inspect solder joints and flex ribbons for cracks because those are common failure points. If a ribbon is damaged, replace or reflow it if adhesive holds a component. Apply low heat to loosen it safely before levering any part out. You reassemble by reversing steps. Reconnect components in their labeled order and leave the battery until last so you can bench test functions first. Make sure ribbon connectors click fully and use fresh adhesive strips where foam was removed. Proper alignment prevents pressure points. Once playback, microphone, and ANC respond, torque screws snugly. Avoid over-tightening, which cracks plastic. If something fails, check connector seating and continuity with a multimeter. Often a loose plug or torn trace is the culprit, and reseating fixes it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.